Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the arteries of the lower limb. What are the arteries that supply lower limb? Okay. Coming to the topic, arteries of lower limb. The blood to the lower limb is mostly supplied by femoral artery and its branches. Blood to the lower limb is mostly supplied by femoral artery and its branches. Okay. Femoral artery. It begins at the midpoint of inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament midpoint, okay? That means at the center of inguinal ligament. It is not inguinal point, note here guys. It is the midpoint of inguinal ligament as the continuation of external iliac artery. Coming to the figure. This is the femoral artery. It begins at the midpoint of inguinal ligament. This is the inguinal ligament, okay, and this is the midpoint of inguinal ligament as it continues from the external iliac artery. It is a continuation of external iliac artery, okay. External iliac artery, its continuation is femoral artery. Got this? Next point is, it enters the thigh. It enters the front of thigh and quickly gives off the femoral artery, also called profunda femoris artery, which supply all the structures of the thigh. This femoral artery gives off profunda femoris artery, okay, and it is also called the femoral artery, okay. Profunda femoris artery, also called the femoral artery, which supplies all the muscles of the thigh. Femoral artery arises from the external carotid artery, and this femoral artery gives off the profunda femoris artery. This profunda femoris artery, also called the femoral artery. This femoral artery enters at the front of thigh and gives off profunda femoris artery, which supplies all the muscles of the thigh. Next, popliteal artery. It is the continuation of femoral artery in the popliteal fossa. Popliteal artery descends through the popliteal fossa at the head of fibula, which divides it into the anterior and posterior tibial arteries. Popliteal artery. It is the continuation of femoral artery into the popliteal fossa. The popliteal artery descends through the popliteal fossa and at the head of fibula and divides into anterior and posterior tibial arteries. Look here guys, this is the continuation of femoral artery, and from front it enters to back of the thigh. You may observe here, front, some middle, and it enters the back, okay. And in this region here, popliteal fossa is present, where the popliteal is continuation of femoral artery, and it begins at the popliteal fossa, and this popliteal artery gives off the popliteal fossa, and it continues from popliteal fossa and head of fibula, okay, and gives of two branches. This popliteal artery gives of two branches: anterior tibial artery, posterior tibial artery, okay. This popliteal artery is a branch of femoral artery, and this popliteal artery gives of two branches, that is anterior tibial artery and posterior tibial artery, okay. Next, anterior tibial artery. It lies in the anterior compartment of the leg, which supplies and continues into the dorsum of foot as dorsalis pedis artery. Anterior tibial artery, it is a branch of popliteal artery, and it lies in the anterior compartment of leg, which it supplies and continues into dorsum of foot as dorsalis pedis artery. It continues into dorsum of foot as dorsalis pedis artery. Coming to the figure, this is the popliteal artery. It gives of two branches. This is the anterior one, this is the posterior one. Now we are talking about the anterior tibial artery. This anterior tibial artery it is present in the anterior compartment of leg, and it supplies the muscles here, and it enters the dorsum of foot as dorsalis pedis artery, and it enters the foot. We call here it as dorsalis pedis artery, okay. Next, dorsalis pedis artery. Dorsalis pedis artery lies on the dorsum of foot, which it supplies, okay. I now only show you. Next, coming to the posterior tibial artery. It lies in the posterior compartment of leg, which it supplies at the ankle behind the medial malleolus. It divided into medial and lateral plantar arteries. It lies in the posterior compartment of leg, which it supplies at the ankle behind the, that means back to medial malleolus. It divided into medial and lateral plantar arteries. Coming to the figure, this is the posterior tibial artery, okay. This is the posterior tibial artery, and it enters the foot, and it enters into the foot, and here at the ankle behind the medial malleolus. This is the medial malleolus. Behind the medial malleolus, it is divided at the ankle. This posterior tibial artery at the ankle behind the medial malleolus, it is divided into two arteries, that is medial. This one is the medial. This is, you may observe here, this is the medial, and this is the lateral. Medial and lateral plantar arteries. Clear? This is the posterior tibial artery at the here. This is the ankle region, okay. I also keep the video for the regions of lower limb, okay. This is the ankle region and behind the medial malleolus. Here medial malleolus is present. Behind the medial malleolus, this posterior tibial artery divided into the two arteries, medial plantar artery, lateral plantar artery, okay. This is the lateral one, this is the medial one, okay. Next, coming to medial and lateral plantar arteries. They are the terminal branches of posterior tibial artery and supply the sole of the foot, Okay, I think it is clear. Coming to the note, in addition to the femoral artery, the following arteries also contribute a little to the blood supply of lower limb. Okay, in addition to the femoral artery, the following arteries also contribute to the little to the blood supply of lower limb. Superior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal artery, arburator artery. They are all branches of internal iliac artery. What are the branches of internal iliac artery? Superior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal artery, obturator artery. Okay, in addition to the femoral artery, the following arteries also contribute a little to the blood supply of lower limb. Superior gluteal artery, inferior gluteal artery and obturator artery. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.